This is really cheap quality. Doesn't look like metal. To remove it, it shakes. The first time use, it's already rusted.
Hello, today we are reviewing for you the Mecity. This is an electronic teapot. I use this every single day and I love it. It holds up really well. It still looks new. You wouldn't know that I use this daily. It's a wonderful product. So right here at the top, this is a half turn to secure the lid on top. And then when you get it off of there, you have a built-in strainer inside. And so you can actually put your tea, herbal infusions, coffee, whatever you want directly in there if you prefer, or you can just boil the water and put them into something else. You can have a variety of things with the same water. It has a maximum fill line right here, and I don't know if that's going to show, but you just pay attention to the maximum capacity right there. And these buttons are neat, and this is how you turn it on and this is how you start it. And so it's all going to light up and start, and you have different settings: boil, coffee, warm, formula. And then I'll zoom in a little bit closer. I hope I can get this to where you can actually see it. There you go. You can do black tea, oolong tea, white, green, or delicate. You can also do a custom temperature if you preferred, or you could just keep it warm. The keep warm setting only works on anything other than boil or coffee. Those are too hot to keep it warm for a long period of time. And so I am going to go ahead and start to boil this water and show you how it works. I do want to mention that this is very easy to clean. So what I do to clean it is I just put in 1 cup of vinegar, 2 cups of water, I bring it to a boil, and then I let it sit. I usually let mine sit overnight. And then I dump it out the next day. If there's any residue remaining, I just wipe it out with a paper towel, something really soft, and that's it. It's done. It's good, so it holds up well. It works exactly like it's supposed to. It's got accurate temperatures for different types of tea or coffee or whatever it is you want to drink. I love this. I would highly recommend it. It has held up so well for me, and it's a great product. I hope this helps you.
So I just set it to have the black setting. Actually, you know what? I'm going to cancel this because I want to do the boil setting because I drank my tea this morning. It requires boiling. This thing is heating up fast. And as you can see, I have it set to the max fill line. Oh, as you can see, I also don't have the infuser in it. That's because we don't have a whole lot of loose tea that we drink, so I just left the infuser out of the little top thingy right here. So that took about 7 minutes, 53 seconds, but that was also with me stopping the original and then starting it again. But it's also with the complete max pot. This morning we did the, I don't know if you can see that or not, the 2 cup for just me and my husband, and it got up to the 212 temperature in less than 5 minutes. It was super fast. So I really love this thing.
Welcome everyone. So I just unpacked my tea kettle here, electrical tea kettle, and opened it up like 2 or 3 minutes ago. I looked at some of the negative and positive reviews about this tea kettle and decided to go ahead and try it out anyway. And this was what I just took out of the box. Here's the box. It was just delivered about 5 minutes ago. Just pulled it in the house, cut the box open, unwrapped everything, and just received this. This appears to be the same tea kettle that somebody else just complained about, thinking that I'm gonna get a brand new one. You see all of the rust and everything all around the inside of it? You see how nasty this is? Like somebody's used it several times. And this is so unprofessional to me. So unprofessional. See all of the dirt and everything up here. Was not expecting this one. Haven't looked at the bottom yet or anything. But yeah, this is terrible. I'm not really happy with this. It's a waste of time. I will be sending it back and probably order somebody else's product. Hope you guys have a better day than I'm having right now. Wow.